holidays are right around the corner, and what better way to entertain your guests with a cheese and charcuterie board? Today I'm going to show you how to set your board with some amazing artisanal cheeses, salamis, and all the fun accoutrements that are going to make your guests happy this holiday season. So let's start with the cheese. I've got some French brie here, Welsh cheddar, and one of my favorite things to do is to cut up my Welsh and then crumble it on the board so you have nice rustic cuts that don't look like cubed deli cheese. Then I'm going to scatter some Gouda. You want to have an assortment of different flavors of cheeses, different types, to give your guests a fun cheese experience. Next, a sheep's milk cheese with spices, nice spicy cheese to add to all those fun flavors that you're going to build your board around. Now, you get your salami from the store and it comes like this, and you don't want to just place it like this on your board. So I recommend doing fun salami roses. These are super fun, super easy. It's going to make your guests think that you spent hours in the kitchen when really it just takes a few seconds to roll your salami like this and then make it look like a rosebud. And you're going to put these on different sides of your board so that way everybody can reach for the yummies. Prosciutto is a hard one. I'm going to show you how you can make it into a ribbon. Just fold it like this, like an accordion, and then place it on your board. If your guests are vegetarian, you can opt out of salamis and prosciutto and just add extra cheese or extra fruit for a fun, vegetarian-friendly board. Now we've got our cheese and our salami and our prosciutto. Next, we're going to fill the gaps with grapes and strawberries. Find different colors, different flavor profiles to create an experience that your guests are going to talk about all the way through the holidays and into the spring. Next, you want to add nuts. Nuts give a nice crunch to the board, different flavor profile again. We like to spice our nuts with different spices in our shop. Feel free to play with spices that you have in your cabinet. Then some sweet treats like chocolate-covered pretzels, or you can get some Belgian chocolates, and then your local crackers. Again, you're just going to look for space on your board that you can fill in the gaps. And then I like to add some jam on the brie because sometimes your guests are not a big fan of brie because of the strong flavor, but when you add some fig jam or cherry jam on top of your brie, it's going to really mellow out that funky French brie cheese flavor, and everybody's going to love spreading this on their bread or crackers. Go ahead and garnish that with a little bit more fruit. And then my favorite, our house-made marinated olives. And you can just place that to the side, and you've got yourself a nice cheese and charcuterie board for the holidays.